Hey everybody, David the AI Guide here. Welcome to another episode. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and share. Share with your friends. Our community is growing fast now. Thank you to all the new subscribers. I do look at comments. I may not be able to answer all of them as we get bigger and bigger, but I will answer a lot of them. And also, be sure to click the link, download your free AI resource. The resource is free. What the resource has is free. And so there's no downside to it. Also, check out my new book on Amazon called The Beginner's Guide to AI that gives a real history of AI, which is started a long time ago now, but took a very long time to mature. And it also tells you industry by industry what's already been automated and what is going to be automated. As those of you who have been with me for a while know, there's a reason I started the AI Guide. And that reason is that I care deeply about people up to age 35 who are either still in school or earlier in their careers, because AI is going to have a profound impact on your working life and disrupt many of the jobs that are done today. And I'm trying to offer you resources to help you prepare for that. And I really do care about what's going to happen to you guys, because I have kids of my own, and there's ample reason for concern. And today we're going to talk about Exhibit A, hot off the press, this article just from today. Nissan's intelligent factory hardly has any human workers. The robots do the work, including welding and mounting. They do the paint jobs and inspect their own paint jobs. The executive vice president of Nissan goes on to say, up to now, people had to make production adjustments through experience. But now robots with artificial intelligence analyzing lots of data that's been collected are able to do it. The technology has now developed to that level. The factory on the outskirts of Tokyo is set to be up and running sometime before April 2022, and the assembly line will make all three models of its Ariya Sport utility vehicle, meaning all electric, hybrid, and regular gas. The workers at the factory that remain will now focus on skilled work such as analyzing the data collected by robots and on maintaining equipment. This is perfect. It's bad, but it's perfect because it goes right to the heart of what we're about here and what we're trying to do. So, what did that article just say? Factory jobs are going to start to rapidly disappear starting next year. Why? Because this is the first fully automated factory, right? Virtually no human beings in it. And this is how everything is going to be done within 20 years in terms of factories. Now, there are jobs that remain, a few. One of them is data analyst. Free resource, click the link, talks about data analysis. I will be providing you resources on how to change your career and become a data analyst, and all of you can do it. Whether you went to college or not, you can do this online, learn it, and have a job that will last. Same with mechanics. If you're mechanically oriented, machinery still has to be fixed. Factories are in desperate need of maintenance mechanics right now. How do I know that? The company I work at has that need today. So, what does all this mean? This article is the warning shot across the bow, as they say in naval terms. The first factory to fully automate is the hardest. Each one after that gets easier and easier to do. That means by 5 years from now, fully automating a factory, except for tech people and maintenance people, will be routine. So if you work in a factory, you need to think about this, and you need to learn new skills. And some of those skills you can start to learn with the free resource. Click the link. The follow-on resource that I'm working on will get you where you need to get to do basic data analysis. Or maintenance mechanic, high demand job. Not just in factories, but at car repair shops and a million other places. Airlines, great paying job for maintenance mechanics. For those of you who are in college or college bound or have already been through college, don't think that what I'm talking about today is not going to hit the jobs of the college educated. It will. I have done other videos on how it's going to hit the medical profession, how it's going to hit the legal profession, how it's going to hit marketing, how it will hit accounting and finance. There is no safe place. This is why I am doing this. There will be a few safe jobs within existing industries today, but no broadly safe industry. If you are going to college or have been to college, you're spending a lot of time and money and effort to get an education. Do yourself a favor, get a practical education too, and don't graduate into a job market that is going to be shrinking by the time we hit 2025, just 4 years from now. If you don't believe me, check out the live I did a week and a half ago. It talks about all the converging things going on to completely disrupt another industry, not factory production, but a whole other industry, and that's transportation. So I think everyone should be awake at this time. I hope you are. I hope you will take advantage of this resource that we're already providing and the ones we will provide in the future. Do please continue to leave comments. As I said, I will try to answer as many as I can. Also, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and I'll be doing another live in another week and a half on Sunday, October 24th at the same time, 4 p.m. Eastern Time. So join me then. I will be sending out a notice of it a week ahead and regularly up till then. But I cannot emphasize to you enough how quickly the world is going to change now. If you want a preview, buy my book on Amazon. It's cheap. It's a very easy read, and you will learn how many industries AI is already starting to impact. Thanks so much. Please like, subscribe, and share. I very much appreciate you watching these videos. I want to help you. I hope you allow me to serve you. Thank you very much. Take care. Talk to you next time.